So, so hi people. Well, I'm out of breath actually. A couple of things already. So, wishing everybody a great start to a Sunday. Cheers to you on a lovely coffee. And you see the sun is out and everything. So, 30th November 2025, the last November. Okay. So, so much to do, and the pollution levels and everything may be up and all that, but the weather is amazing outside, yeah, and you cannot stop admiring and appreciating that you're slowing down, but you're also kind of enjoying the joyful stuff like this cup of coffee and soaking up the sun. And if you've got some pets and stuff, you're probably enjoying and making the best of it. And of course, if you're recovering from cough and cold and everything like me, probably you're exercising less and sleeping more and all that. So that comes as a package of recovery and everything. So why am I here? I'm here to tell you that even if you're not feeling 100% or 200% and everything, and you don't have to think that you're not exercising and all that. Even if you're doing half an hour or 40 minutes of whatever, walking, stretching, anything, anywhere, that is as good as exercising. So 30 to 40 minutes is good. And since pollution is such a big concern, what I could advise and recommend is to do yoga. Call up your coaches and call up people and try and do some yoga asanas and stuff, because breathing exercises really help you kind of open up your respiratory tracts and stuff like that. So because of neck cervical and stuff, I was not allowed to do yoga, but then I was like, I'm going to do it no matter what. And then I started doing my Surya Namaskar and everything. And you see, mine has been a story of recovery from neck cervical and a back and left leg for a brief while. And for now it's like, this thing, tinnitus in my left ear. So try doing yoga, and for those who are kind of trying to reduce, you're doing diets and everything, that's good. But the point is, it's not about losing weight, it's actually about gaining strength. And strength doesn't come by doing diets, because the moment you go off a diet, there's no diet which is a long-term diet, okay? So it just puts you in a discipline and or structure or a lifestyle, and you're supposed to stick to that. And the moment you stop doing all of that, your weight comes back, okay? So what's advisable is to also supplement it or assist it with exercising and try and do more of weight. So women and girls, especially upper body, do more of strength and do more of core, because that weight that's